I come here bringing greetings from not just the school board in Livermore, but also from, I'm the associate pastor of a congregation of Cornerstone Fellowship in Livermore and Brentwood, Walnut Creek, and San Ramon. And the events that we witnessed this last week has left this whole San Diego, California, just in pieces. 3 men killed at their own mosque. And let's be clear, they were there to protect teachers. They were there to protect students from learning. And to all the families who lost them, to every member of the Muslim community, both there and here, you're probably carrying some sort of grief and uncertainty around this week. I'm so sorry. And I want you to know that you are not grieving alone today. There's a whole community behind you in this. I think that this could be yet another data point to justify our division. So many things in our society, in our media, in our social media algorithms feed division constantly. Division between Christians and Muslims, between conservatives and progressives, between us and anyone we've decided is not us. So I want to ask you to join me in using the energy and the adrenaline and the anger and sadness that this senseless shooting leaves us with. Let that help us to launch into strengthening our resolve. We need less division. We need more unity. Even at my age, I'm learning things, and I'm learning that proximity is a great antidote to hate. Sitting at the table with who seemingly are nothing like you, with whom you have little or nothing in common, who have a different worldview, or different opinions, different traditions, or perhaps they reach for the divine or express their faith in the divine in a completely different way. If you sit across the table from those people, and let's not call them those people, but when you sit across the table from us, you will see the healing start. And healing is what our community needs, not further division. Let the legacy of Amin Abdullah, let's say their names, Mansour Kazia and Nadir Awad, be that their murder catalyzed us, motivated us, each individually here, to use the raw materials that we were given to work towards the flourishing of all people. Thank you so much, and peace be to you.